ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਮਰਦਾਸ ਜੀ Maharaj has gifted us a beautiful message today regarding to take care of the truth. How we can take care of the truth. High heaven God had invested or installed in us the seed of an excellence. So what happened sometime? We stuck around the people who are negative. We stuck around the people who are sarcastic. We stuck around the people who never encourage you. We stuck around the people, whatever you do for them, they never praise you. They never say good things about you. You work hard at work, especially you work hard at work, and nobody praise you for doing an excellent job. And especially in our family relations, you see lot of people have trouble. Lot of people have not paid attention while they are working hard. They are going beyond the words. So what happens when we expect from others? We are not taking care of the truth. When we say, if somebody gonna say me you did good, then I will be justified. No, that is not a right thing. We need to understand that the seed of the excellence, the seed of the beauty, the seed of the truth is already inside us. That's we need to recognize the truth, how we can take care of the truth. First of all, never compare yourself with anyone else because you are unique, you are beautiful, you are excellent. So what happens when we recognize us? So we are the real son of the God. God had created us unique and beauty. So once we remember God, we need to understand and we need to remember one thing, that we are not dwelling on other people, what they say, what they think, and how they feel about us. It is all about you, how you feel about us, how do you feel about yourself. So this is the truth Guru Amar Das Ji is talking about us. So Sadatan, always you focus on the truth. The truth is actually in you. Recognize the truth through Gurbani. When you focus on high heaven, when you focus on Vaheguru, who is a creator and who is a creator of the universe, and who is actually a creativity in all the species and all the nature. So Mukt Padarth. What is a Mukt Padarth? Mukt Padarth is a gift that God had gifted us. We are not bound to the shackles of our thoughts. Once we are stuck into the thought system, oh, somebody gonna say about me good thing, I will be happy. So when you are in a Mukt Padarth, Guruji anointed us. Guruji showers his blessing upon us. He actually leads us into an excellence. He leads us towards the excellence. We don't worry about what people say good about us, what people say bad about us. We are focused, we are concentrated, and we are leading our conscious towards the Shabd of the Vaheguruji. So how? Once you focus and you chant the name of Vaheguruji, when you chant the mantra, Guru mantra, Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. So how? What is a service? Gur seva te har tan pave. So what is a service? Service to the Guru is that you listen the word of the God. Once we listen the word of the God, and we we keep love for that, and when we keep love for that and we try to practical in our life, when we do like this, har naam tan pave. So this is the God gifts us in a way. When we chant the mantra in the morning and we read Gurbani and we practically try to bring Gurbani into our practical life, antar pragas har naam te ave. So when we focus, when we concentrate, when we meditate the name of the Vaheguru, our heart, our mind get enlightened, and when we live enlightened, that is the Mukta Padarth. In all attachments but detached. So this is the Guruji has gifted us. When you live enlightened. So living enlightened is the beauty, living enlightened is the truth, and living enlightened is the grace. So I wish you a beautiful day today. ਬੇਅੰਤ ਭੁੱਲਾਂ ਚੁੱਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਮਾ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ